31st. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm super excited. The whole of today I was just lying down on my bed. I said, wow, God has made it. God has made it possible for us. Today is 31st. Today is December 31st, the last day of the month, guys. And I started thinking of last year, 2024, December 31st, and we entering the new year of 2025, and now we are ending it, and I'm super grateful. We are all alive, we are strong, and we are keeping it, we are moving it, and we are rocking it. You are welcome to the channel, guys. You are welcome to the channel. And you know what my husband did? Like, I'm so happy. I just went to the living room and he presented this thing to me. He said he's not going to wrap it, he's not going to do any fancy thing. He just handed me this package, and today is the end day of the year, so let's see what is inside. So he's surprising me with something this to end the year, and I'm so grateful. So let's do this together, okay? But meanwhile, we are on our way going somewhere as a family, and I said, let me just wish you guys Happy New Year in advance. May the good Lord continue to grant us all our heart desires, our prayers, our hidden prayers. May the God let it manifest and let everything be clear, so that everybody will see the goodness of God. And guys, never give up in life. Continue praying, continue being yourself, and whatever that you wish for this 2025 and you couldn't achieve, don't give up. God will surely answer you, and he has the best thing for you. So for us, you have life is better than whatever that you have wished for, and God always do his things accordingly, so that when it come out perfectly, it lasts, it's forever. So Happy New Year in advance. It's now 12:42 p.m. so it's half of the 24 hours. So very soon we are entering, and I know some country they have already entered New Year, I'm sure. So we wish you a happy oh my God. So let me just go straight to the point and unbox this for you guys to see. So my boy also loves music, and he's so excited about what is happening. Now, God, thank you for protecting me and my family. Thank you for providing for us. So this is the package. Guess what is inside here? Tana. Wow. You like it? My boy is saying wow. Thank you, baby. Thank you, my dog. Sweetie, bye-bye. We're on the highway, okay? We're on huh? Yeah, baby. Wow. I love this gift. So let's see and smell. What is it? Look at your feet. Sorry. It's okay, baby. Sorry, my love. So let's do this, guys. I don't have a proper car tripod, so I was trying to adjust my camera. I have seen this thing this brand on YouTube, Amazon, and them things. I don't know whether it's what I'm thinking, but if it is what I'm thinking, I'll be so excited, because I've been wanting to have this type of brand. And I think my husband, oh my God, it is that one, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, can you see what I'm seeing? Apple. Yeah, baby. Wow. Wow. You are so.
This is good.
It's good. Oh my goodness, guys. See. And it's so special that today is the last day of the year. So I'm entering 2026 with this brand. And I'll be smelling good. I'll be smelling good, and you guys can perceive it from the phone, from the camera. Woo! Oh my. Oh my goodness. Who is that? Who is that? Tell the person. God, guys. See, sometimes you need to see me. I've been saying this. So if you've been following this channel, I've been saying this. If you're a lady, always pray for a man that will read your heart, that will understand you, that will know what you want, that will know your feelings, that kind of thing, know what you want. Yeah, I don't know, I didn't discuss it with I go to school, I go out, and I need to smell good all the time. And this is not the first time he getting me perfume. He has been getting me perfume, but this perfume is so special that a lot. This perfume is so special that the ladies on YouTube or whatever, social media, Amazon, they have been praising this, that if you're a lady, you should have Valentino. If you're a lady, you should have Valentino perfume collection. They've been saying that if you're a lady, you should have Valentino perfume in your collections. So guys, 2026, here I come. I'm starting it with this, and all thanks go to my king, my odogu parara.
Yeah.
My okatechie.
Yeah.
My Obrempo and my junior Obrempo over there. Thank you guys. I'm feeling emotional, but I don't want to. I'm feeling emotional, guys, but I don't want to cry.
Cry for a lesson.
Oh, guys, what should I do? Oh God, thank you. What I would say is thank you, Jesus. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful man. I'm not crying, my love. I'm okay. What do you want? You want your watermelon?
You want a volo?
You want the volume? This spray crana. Wrong. Sorry. So let's test it. Oh my goodness. I'm smelling good. Oh, Jesus. It smells good though. Oh, you are the best. Thank you.
82%.
Oh my God. You feel it?
Yeah.
It's so nice. 2026. Guys, watch out. Watch out. Because you know why? Motherhood is something. It's only the three of us. And I have said enough. So let's talk later, okay? I will talk to you guys in my next clip. See you guys. And Happy New Year in advance, guys. It's very powerful. So this one, just a little one count. It's so powerful, guys. It's strong. So this one, just a little. So guys, I will talk to you guys in my next video.